Before I reveal the planter, I want to share with you something that you may have noticed is that, oops, I'm wearing a breast cancer awareness pin today. Not only because I'm missing a button, but also because I am a survivor. And I just want to encourage all the ladies out there and men to go get your annual mammograms. Most importantly, do your self-checks. I found my mass 6 months after my mammogram. So had I not found that, I'm not sure if I would be standing here talking to you. I did find my own mass, and it was stage 2B. So yeah, I saved my life by doing a self-exam and not relying solely on mammograms, although they are very important. Not taken away from that, but it is just one tool. And now they're saying that ultrasounds are also necessary. So please look into that and don't skip those exams, okay? So now I'll show you my planter. Yo, this is a hot mess. I got all these planters, all kinds of random plants that I've been pulling and sourcing for jobs, and I'm gonna try to make something out of nothing. So here we go. Thought I'd invite you along. Trying to make a planter look semi-decent for this season with no rain. Here we go. So these have already started to kind of yellow at the bottom, so I'm just going to clean those bottoms off a bit. It feels amazing out here today. This is literally the first day that it's felt like fall for us. Still no rain, but the temperatures are cooler. So yeah, before I put them in, just cleaning off those dead pieces. And these are just little roses I bought for a job I had left over. So really cute little mini roses. So another little tip I'd like to give y'all is when I bought these, they were actually in the grocery store, so they were cold. So it's always important to acclimate your plants before you shove them into a situation where they would go from like cold grocery store temperature to what we've been having is 90 degrees. So they've acclimated, they've been outside for a little over a week. So they've gone from refrigerator, cold, to 90 degrees, and now we're in the, I don't know, cool for us is anywhere in the 70s, honestly. So they've acclimated and they look really good. If I would have taken these straight from the grocery and put them in the heat in the ground, I would have stressed them and they probably would not have survived. These are some of the little cabbage plants I had left over from another job, and I'm gonna take these out. These are very cold hardy, but they're also very dry. I'll be happy to get into the ground where I can get them watered in and give them a little more room to grow. These will get pretty big, so I think those are gonna fill in really nice. The soil that I'm putting this in this planter, it's not really great. It's very dry and probably doesn't have a lot of nutrients left into it. So I'm gonna add some of the jungle mix into it. meant to say Happy Frog, not Jungle Mix. I don't even know where I got that from. This is my soil of choice. It seems to work really well. It holds a lot of moisture. Alright, she came out really pretty. So I only had 3 of each plant, so it's a little wonky and off, but I added 1 extra lemon lime sedum in there. But it's gonna fill out really pretty, and I also left myself a little bit of room in case anything else comes up in one of my jobs. When I pull plants, I can kind of tuck those into there, fill it out a little more. But yes, I'm very happy with this, and I did add some new soil, and I think it looks really pretty, especially in contrast, or actually in complement to the pots, because there's some red in the pots. It really adds a lot. I gotta straighten that out a little bit. That needs to be a little bit more in line with my fountain. It's funny how you see these things when you're on video, but yeah, I'm gonna straighten that out, don't worry, and get that looking good. And I just wanted to show you, like, if you have a bunch of different plants and you can all marry them up in one pot, and you can kind of make something out of nothing, because I really wasn't sure I was going to do with all these extra plants. Most people would be thrilled. I am not always thrilled when I have extra plants because I don't know what to do with them. So I've been designing these planters for myself. So I'm gonna get that watered in, and I really appreciate you being here and watching this. And please don't forget to take care of yourself. Self-care includes mammograms, amongst many other things. But today I'm just advocating for breast cancer awareness. I am a 5.5-year survivor, and I just can't even imagine not finding that mass on my own and how that would have affected my life. So I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad to be sharing this video with you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, so before I reveal, okay, so before I reveal the plant in the potter, that didn't make any sense.